right, I'm pleased to say this is the fifth and final one. I feel like the hardest working man in showbiz here. This will be our final chunk from P to the end for the bear pin. PVH Corporation, PVH. Zooming in. We've been breaking down nicely on this, and what we want to see is get all the way down to this failure point right there, 91.93. Restaurant brands, QSR, fell about 1% on Friday, working our way lower, and let's drag this down more conservatively to the new gap that we just created on Friday. Recall, RCL, that's Royal Caribbean Group. I'm kind of amazed it's been doing as stably as it has, considering that the things aren't ship-shape, as it were, in this industry. But there's our range, and hopefully the chart kind of speaks for itself in terms of its potential. I've got puts on this too. This is one that, boy, did I miss the boat. Restoration Hardware, could well have a bounce, but this one really got away from me. A tremendous drop. I mean, I did a post about it well before the drop, so good for anybody who got into it, but not me. So love to see that one bounce. The rest of my I have positions in all of these, just so as you know. Synchrony Financial, SYF. This one is a huge pattern, and we got a nice gap down on this one. And it could take a couple of months to really express itself, but fingers crossed. Timken, TKR. You can see past instances of reversals, and we've got a right triangle pattern going right here. I want to see it stay beneath that portion, and it just occurred to me, let's anchor it there. That seals the gap and also notes the low price. Twilio, TWLO, that's Twilio Incorporated, and this is a very profitable one so far. And we've broken down beneath a couple of pretty major patterns there. Ventus, VTR. Just example after example of toppings on this. And once again, we want to stay beneath. I'll get rid of this. It's just clutter. We want to stay beneath this descending trend line. Wayfair, symbol W. I'm hoping that we can get something approximating this sort of drama that we had on this, but nice droopage there from that completed right triangle pattern. As I said at the very first video, right triangles we're surrounded by them. And the last of the 50, XPO Logistics, symbol XPO. This one shows a series of bullish and bearish patterns like so, and most recently we've got that with the superset right there, everything above 67.53. So that is it. I've gone through all 50, and as I mentioned, I'm in 22 of them. Just for the record, besides those 22, what rounds it out to 25 is 3 ETFs, and I'll just tell you, since I got a little extra time here, one of them is EFA, which is once again, let's be conservative. We'll just drag it down there. So this needs to break 74.71 to get things rocking. This is a very slow mover. And I'm also in XLE as of Friday. And this one's just nuts. You can see just how sharply ascending that's been. Back in the day, I actually had thought we'd be working our way lower and lower and lower, at least to this gap. Didn't bother. It just started powerhousing around here in mid-December. So that's where we're at on that one. And the last of these, which actually shows you all 25 of my positions, is XLF, which I got into on Thursday. And so this is up a little bit. We've got a nice gap down on this thanks to JP Morgan. So that's all 25 and all 50, so to speak. All right, well, good luck in the week ahead, and thanks for coming by.